Hi everyone, this is Kevin Anthony from the Fab Lab here at Ball High School, and today I wanted to talk to you about getting your model ready for 3D printing from AutoDesk Inventor. I happen to be using AutoDesk Inventor Professional 2021, and I'm going to show you how to get this set up to send to the 3D printers in the Fab Lab. So right now I have this simple shape here. It's just a cylinder, and what I want to do is I want to get this ready to send to the 3D printers. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to go over here to File, I'm going to go to Print, and I want to do Send to 3D Print Service. So I'm going to prepare files and post to 3D Print Service. And now, all this here is correct. You don't have to change anything at all. The only thing you do have to change is if you click on Options. This is actually the information for the printers and where it's going to. Right now, if you sent this job with this as centimeters, it would be really, really tiny. This thing is about an inch high. It would be like an 1/8 inch high, really, really tiny. So you want to change this drop menu here to millimeter. This has to do with the printers that it's going to, not the size of your model itself. And you click on OK. And you click on OK here. This is going to generate an STL file, which is used for printing jobs to the 3D printers at the Fab Lab. So you give your job a name, and I'm just going to save this here, right there, and then you can upload your STL file with the proper dimensions through our printer software, 3D Printer OS. Okay, thank you.